in the box?
Winch.
What's in the box?
It's a winch.
A what?
It's a winch.
This video is not sponsored, however, it is a collaboration with Openroad. Openroad is a company that makes winches and recovery gear, and today, well, it's gonna be a product review. You've been warned. This entire video is literally gonna be about a winch. And well, if you're not into that type of thing, well, see you on Sunday. This here winch we have here today is rated for those that like to enjoy a nice heavy-duty, strong tugging. It's rated at 13,000 pounds, comes complete with 100 feet of synthetic line, 2 wireless remotes, 1 wired controller that I honestly can't even figure out where to plug it in at, but I guess it really doesn't matter, I suppose. It has a 3-year warranty on electrical and a lifetime warranty on mechanical. This 13,000 pound winch from Openroad is available on their website for $499, and the link is in the description. But wait, there's more! Cappy Mays here! You can get a $50 discount with the code CAPTAIN at checkout. Shitty Built also has a pretty similar winch out on the market right now. It retails for around $700. So Openroad is a pretty appealing option. And I wasn't paid to say any of this, I'm just kind of just stating the obvious here. We're all wired up, bolted down, and I just have one question. Will it spool? I still haven't figured out where the wired control goes, but it doesn't matter. I got 2 of these wireless remotes, so let's find out if it'll spool. It's alive! This winch does boast 100 feet of synthetic line, although it is advised you leave 5 feet in the spool no matter what because, yeah, it's just not strong if you don't. So it's got 95 practical usable feet of synthetic line, and it's a lot safer than the steel braided because it holds no tension. In the event that it breaks, that's it. Is that 100 feet? Looks pretty darn close. They also gave us some totally cool stickers. Oh yeah, that's a good look. My only complaint so far is if you put these stickers on the windshield, it really hurts the visibility. I can't see anything. Nah, I'm just kidding. But in all seriousness, let's find something we can winch around here, you know, to test this thing out. What could we winch? Okay, so here's what I've come up with. Let's say you broke a bunch of stuff on the trail. For example, let's just say you broke a front drive shaft and a rear axle and your buddy dragged you all the way back to the staging area, and now you're trying to load your clapped out junk on your trailer so you can leave. Well, why not use a winch? Let's see if we can self-recover and how this winch does. This is a test, only a test. Well, okay, I think it definitely passed the test. You could use it to self-recover and put yourself on your trailer, I guess. So it works well, looks decent, it's a really good price, and like I said earlier, you can use the coupon code CAPTAIN at checkout for $50 off. This winch is already, I think, a really fair price, and just that added is just, I don't know, I think it's a good deal. I'm not being paid to say this, I just honestly think it's a decent deal for a winch. So yeah, another thing I think that's worth mentioning is a lot of people might be really turned off that this winch is made overseas. And I did a little research on the matter, and all winches are made overseas, even Warns. I think Ramsey might be the exception. My buddy Kyle Lynn knows all about the Ramseys. Anyway, despite what it may look like, I think it's supposed to rain later. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna do on Sunday, but it's gonna be awesome. See you then. How's it gonna go from 110 to just raining? Arizona, I don't understand you.